Hello! Welcome to this beautiful townhouse in Park Slope, Brooklyn. Okay, so for the entrance, I really like this view. It's very simple, but still, it wanted to feel like home, you know? And we have this beautiful chandelier from Shades of Light. The floor is a maple, and if you go here, we have this French door that opens up to the library. This beautiful arch window looks outside of all, you can see all the other brownstone. I think this view is stunning. And if we keep walking this way, this is the master bathroom. So for all the bathrooms and the kitchen as well, the client wanted to keep consistency, so we have the same material, the same colors throughout the whole apartment. Mosaic, marble, and subway tiles, white subway tiles. We have some accent wall in all the bathrooms. In this bathroom, we put these vertically blue tiles in the shower. This is a beautiful piece from Renovation hardware. It's from the Oslo collection. All the hardware is from Renovation hardware. Look at the details. The mirror, these are mirror, they're not medicine cabinet. We have mirrors also in a brass finish. The finish is all brass. And yes, and this is the master bathroom. One of the main kitchen. We have 3 kitchens in the house. This is one of the kitchen, and we have quartz for the countertop, and the backsplash is mosaic marble, and all the finish are brass as well, the kitchen as well as the bathroom. Okay, here we have a closet. This is a powder room, so it's very similar to the bathroom downstairs. Of course, it doesn't have a shower. The vanity is the same Renovation hardware vanity, just in a smaller size. This is gonna be an office space. It's bright. If we keep walking up, I think this is the floor that gets more light. And that's the biggest kitchen. So it has a big island, same materials. We have the same quartz, the same mosaic, marble tile for the backsplash. It's just, of course, you have way more cabinets, and this is a pantry. So it opens up like that, and this door you can just slide inside. So you can keep it open if you want. And this bathroom, this is as big as the master bathroom downstairs. And it looks the same as downstairs, since as I said before, we wanted to keep consistency with the material. So this is it. We have one more floor, the basement. So let's go downstairs to the basement. All right. So this floor is mainly designed for a guest coming. So it's like they will have their own private apartment. Okay, so this will be the room, and their kitchen is here. We're still missing, as I said before, that's not finished yet. There are still knobs that needs to be installed. And the challenging thing about this place, so there was only one powder room. So this is the powder room. So we redesigned this the same as the other bathroom. We have the Oslo vanity, and the client wanted to fit a shower. but we didn't have space to fit a shower inside, and we couldn't make the bathroom bigger because we have this door. So the best solution, we tried different solutions, but then the best solution was to add another room in here, and we will have, so the guests, they can have their own shower in here. So yeah, so this is the basement, and yeah, that's it. Start a new chapter with us.